Hello nail art fans, today I'm going to show you how to do a gender reveal nail art design for a girl. Keep watching and remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and drop me a comment below. Thank you. For this tutorial I'm using gel polishes. To begin, apply 2 coats of your chosen gel polish colour. I've chosen to use La Ti Da by Artistic Nail Design. Then paint the outline of the baby's face and body using white gel polish and a fine detail brush. Once you've got the outline correct, fill it in with the same white gel polish and then cure. Once you've finished applying your white, cure and then apply a clear gel top coat, cure that, remove the inhibition layer and then buff the surface of the nail. Next, paint the face and body using a nude skin toned gel polish. Once you've finished applying all the nude gel polish, cure it and then move on to painting the headband in with white gel polish. Once you're happy with that, cure that as well. Next, using a fine detail brush and black gel polish, paint in the eyes and then using a bright pink gel polish, paint in the bow and the headband. Now it's time to outline the design and start to add the details. So I'm using the black gel polish and a fine detail brush and going round in very light feathery strokes. To ensure that you are getting really fine lines, you need to make sure that you haven't got too much gel polish in your brush. Once you load your brush, just very lightly stroke the bristles on the side of the palette just to make sure that you take off any excess gel polish before you actually start painting on the nail. Once you're happy with your outline, cure and then use your nude gel polish to touch up any areas that you feel you need to, and then add a little bit of colour to the cheeks using the pink gel polish that you used for the bow, watered down with a little bit of clear gel polish. Finally, to finish your design, use a little bit of white gel paint to highlight. Once you're happy, cure and apply a clear gel top coat. And there you have it, a gender reveal for a girl. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so that you can watch more awesome nail art videos. Thank you for watching!